Hey folks, welcome back to the garage. Probably kind of a shorter episode because I'm getting a bit of a later start today. Through a mix of really good timing and a lot of luck, I was able to find the exact rims that I wanted for sale from a private seller on Facebook Marketplace. I was able to shoot down to a neighboring state and scoop them up. They're in awesome condition. So I also want to just give a huge shout out to Rod. Thank you so much. The first thing I want to do is, well, we want to install these rims, right? So the first thing I want to do is I want to get that axle hung back in the car. So today I'm just gonna try to throw in the upper torque box reinforcemements and maybe just kind of loosely hang the control arms in place, and then next episode we'll try everything out. But before I install those, let's put one of the front wheels on and just make sure everything fits. Cool, so let's check that out. So these are the SVE NVX 18 by 9s in the front, 18 by 10s in the rear. I think the fronts are 265, 35, 18, and the rears are 285, 35, 18s. Like I said, these are in immaculate condition. I'm really pumped to get these installed. I just want to make sure that these fit. These are marketed for a SN95 Mustang. As you know, I've kind of been putting all kinds of SN95 equipment on here, including these Cobra brakes. So there's a bit of a question on whether this will fit. I'm gonna find out now. Let's see if these lug nuts will fit. Now I also want to just make sure before I tighten these down and torque them that the flange is correct with these. All right. Now let's see if they fit. That fits perfectly. The valve stems are here, and you can tell it passes perfectly. Okay. Apologize for the darkness, but I'm working on that. Okay. That's familiar. Now I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get this entire thing installed today. There's a pretty significant chance I won't, simply because of how late it is in the day. And I still have to prep the video for tomorrow. What is this? Oh, it's a tightener. Okay, that's better. The left side. Nope. Let's do the right side. Alright. A whole bunch of bars here. I'm sure y'all are wondering, how does this all go together? What is this all about? I guess this is how we're doing this. How could this possibly be considered lubricant? Is my question. If you just press this side in first. I have questions. I don't fully understand why there's balls here. Yeah, no, that's how it's supposed to go. Oh, this stuff is vile. You know what? I'm not going to include those. Didn't have luck getting this into the middle, so I'm going to skip all that. I don't think it's even necessary, to be honest. Alright. I think that's good. Oh, this stuff is vile. It'd been nice to have some Zerk fittings on these. Alright. Before we kind of send these home, we're gonna have to, look at this, it's coming back out. All right, let's call that done for now. All right, my little wristwatch thing here, the bike headlight is dead. So we're even more kind of shot. Let's charge you up. Oops. I doubt anybody can see anything, because I can't. So, now you'll see this pinches here. Now if we can fit one of these, it would go like this. So now that that's in place, we can mark where we need to drill up here. You kind of have to put everything together first. So this is going to tie these two sides together. If I can get it to fit. Alright, so everything's very tightly toleranced. So what we'll most likely do is I'm just gonna put this all in place and mark where to drill tonight, and then we're gonna call it quits. Can you see? I hope so. You know what would be really cool is if I had some light. Make sure it's even get through the hole. Ah, there we go. This thing that fell on my arm a second ago. I gotta tell you, spraying this all the rubberized undercoating might not have been the best idea. Just to reiterate, this connects up here like this, and then this comes over here, crosses over. Ooh, that's where I'm having trouble connecting it, and then it connects up here. So the idea is this ties in these upper torque boxes, triangulates it with the actual frame. I have to line this up here, and that's not really easy to do. Give you old taparoo. Now, ideally, what we do here is tighten these down completely, but I don't think we really need to do that. I think what we have is good. The idea is we need to mark exactly where we need to drill here to put the sleeves in. So we're just gonna mark those today, and then the next time I do this, we'll take this all back apart, drill the holes, put the sleeves in, tighten everything down. If you don't have one of these, highly recommend getting one. That was unpleasant. Yeah, so if I'm gonna be working in this garage through the winter, I'm gonna have to upgrade my lighting. Okay, there's no way I'm gonna get the drill in on that side. I may be able to get it on this side though. All right, so I've drilled some pilot holes, some I couldn't. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to do that, and then come back in here for round 2. I think I've marked it pretty well though. Yeah, next time I'll take all this apart and then we'll finish drilling these holes. This spacer goes in the middle like that. These cross bolts go through. And then this makes it a really nice sandwiched grip on the frame rail so you don't risk pinching this one inwards. Let's wrap this one up. All right. Sorry again for the short video. You see, we really didn't get much accomplished today, but we did get those rims. I guess we kind of started putting stuff into place for those upper control arms. It's a little tighter underneath there than I thought it would be for drilling the holes. I don't know, maybe I'll try to buy a 90-degree drill thing. We'll see, I don't know. Yeah, so cool. Let me know what you think in the comments. Give me a like, subscribe if you haven't, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I hate this grease. This is the worst grease ever. Let's see if they fit. Alright, I think that was just the brake pad.